So many people mistake game dev for software dev. These two aren't the same at all. Like, our ambition as game devs is always to make a joke in the programming world. The aim is always to make a joke or make a game. And these people don't get. They expect, like, if you are into programming, you are a software programmer or something. So they're like, do you use AI? Like, no, we don't use AI. We are hunted down by AI companies. They want the market share to the software engineers. So we as game devs are like, what are you talking about? We don't do that at all. And there's this big AI ads everywhere, like they're really skillful, really aggressive marketing. And we're like, this has nothing to do with us, but people happily take the AI because they are more into software than into games. Game dev is about programming games only. Like it's always a joke in the programming world. It's always a game. It's never that serious tool product or something like that. It's always a game or a software like game or a joke, right? So that makes it entertainment. Like it isn't a serious tool building. And these people don't get they still put AI ads here. They still expect you to take software programming lessons. Like, hey, you like IT, go to software programming. We want software, but we just don't do that. We only do games and jokes in the programming world. Uh, and so these two worlds are more and more separate nowadays. It's like, let's say programmer picks up a book. It has this Harry Potter actually. It's like programmer expects the book to have the like exact details how something works, like a manual or something. But like a game dev picks up a book. Let's say this is Harry Potter. The idea is how to make a silly joke of it or how to make a game of it that makes people laugh. So it isn't about like how to read the manual or like anything like that. So it's more maybe more about like this creative side of work. I haven't been really into software programming ever, so I don't really know what they do nowadays. I use them. I have bought many softwares and I use them, but I don't actually know how they run these companies and how they market. I sometimes see the more aggressive end of the ads, such as AI ads. But other than that, I don't actually know what they're doing. I have a friend who is a web developer, and I also don't know what he does. Like I see some of the products and some ads, but I really don't know what he actually does. He has explained it, but I still don't get it. Like it's for game devs, it's like boring. It doesn't have any fun or entertainment or humor in it. Like we always try to make this joke in the programming world, like who creates the best joke or writes the best joke that is also graphically amazing and looks beautiful, he wins, right? So it's not like a tool that can be used.